Here is a quick tutorial on how I create my sizing kit for my press-on nail business. I start by selecting a card and I'm gonna be choosing the 7x5 inch, but you can choose any other size they're available. All depends on what kind of designs you are going for. And then you're gonna see some templates already loaded on the left side of the screen. The ones with a little crown at the bottom right, those are the premium templates. So that means that you have to pay for Canva. But right now I'm using the free version. And I'm gonna go ahead and choose one of these cards just to show you an example of what you can do and be able to modify these templates. It's not difficult at all. So I'm choosing this one here and removing the thank you text and the two start elements. Let's go ahead and modify this template here. I'm gonna go back to elements and choose something that I would like to add. I'm gonna try this hand. I'm gonna duplicate it and flip the other one so it looks from the opposite hand. You just place it there, go on the flip option and flip horizontal. Now you have your two hands ready to go. And then on Google Docs, I already have my text ready to go with instructions that I want to give my customers when they purchase the sizing kit and they want to measure their nails. You can add to this or make your own text. There are many options here to customize this template. You can change the font, the color. I'm going to add some text and I'm going to customize it a little bit more, and then I'm going to show you a second option where you can do it more simple with just a couple of lines. And yeah, I'm gonna let you watch the tutorial. You can see everything that I'm doing here. If you have any questions, just don't hesitate to ask me in the comments and I'll answer to you with everything that I know so far. I'm very happy to help and glad that you're here watching this tutorial. And this is all I have for you today. If you want me to create any other tutorial for you, any other ideas, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a nice day.